Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to another video. So this is the most requested video because since I have uploaded that ASMR of slime on my channel, you guys have been requesting me that how I made that slime and what's the secret behind that stretchy slime. So I am here with the secret and with the tutorial of that stretchy slime. So without wasting our time, let's begin. So in order to make that slime, we are going to need is ADX glue. Make sure to buy the ADX glue which have this tag of best for slime, because if you buy any other ADX glue which do not have this tag, you won't get with that stretchy slime. So you must keep this in your mind that whenever you buy ADX glue, it must have a tag of best for slime. Yeah. Now you have to pour this glue into your container. Okay, it depends upon how much slime you want. You just need to pour the same amount of glue in your container. Now the second step is totally optional, which is to pour in your slime color. If you have it, you can go for it, but if you do not have it, just skip it. So the third step is to pour in your activator, and this is a step where most of the people do mistake. What they do, they pour in a lot of amount of activator at once, and this is wrong. You need to pour in gradually. Just keep adding gradually, little by little, and then your slime will turn out really good, as I'm doing here. So this step will take time. You have to give time to your slime if you want your slime to be stretchy. So you can see after doing it for 15 to 20 minutes, this is how it turned out. It is still not good. Now I'm doing is I'm pouring in some dishwash. You can go for dishwash, you can go for a liquid hand wash, you can go for shampoos. These are some things, or you can go for baby lotion also. These are something which makes your slime super soft and super stretchy, and you just need to keep pouring in and keep mixing, and it will also take lots of time, and it will also change your slime color. Yes, it will change your slime color. Just keep adding and keep mixing as I did here. I just cut that whole part because I don't want to make you guys bored, that is why. And this actually changed my slime color. But I did the same step. I poured in dishwash, a lot of dishwash, but do not add at once. Make sure to add gradually and then keep mixing. And this is how my slime turned out, and I am pretty satisfied with my slime. And if you also want your slime to be turned out like this, you have to follow these steps. Make sure to do each and everything like this, and your slime will also turn out like this. So that is it for our today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and if you guys have any confusion or question, you can definitely ask me in the comment section below. I will try to answer each and every question of yours. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys, and enjoy the ASMR.